Whoa, did y'all see that? Ooh, welcome, man. See that truck flow by me? Welcome back to the channel, man. As y'all can see, y'all see that sign right there? Marietta. All right, yes, I'm headed to Marietta, the Chrysler Training Center, guys. I have a 2-day course today. I'm en route now. I am almost there, but on my way there, I decided to fire the camera up and speak on a couple of things. Speak on a couple of comments that I read this morning in my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, guys, I get comments from a little bit of everybody, a little bit of everything. Just all type. And I say this all the time, and I sure hope this stand with you guys. There's no such thing as a dumb question. Okay, yes, I had to learn that the hard way. All right, I had a question to ask back a long time ago. I decided not to answer it because I thought I would look stupid, and I thought it was a dumb question. And I went on my own. Being at that age, that was the wrong thing to do. I messed up, and and the instructor informed me that, hey, there is no such thing as a dumb question. If it's something you don't know or you need to be enlightened on, please ask it. And so now, at the age I am now, I carry that same mentality. All right, so from time to time, I get questions from aspiring or people that's aspiring to be mechanics or they want to work on cars for a living, guys. All right, so my thing about that is you got to be careful with your career choices. Is automotive, working on cars, a good career choice? Yes, it can be. All right, I will never discourage somebody from wanting to be a mechanic if that's what you want to be. Number one, you got to make sure you cut out for this, guys. You can't be, let me go out on a limb and say this, and I might catch some flack for this. You can't be one of those you can't be an ill guy. Y'all know what ill is? Ew, look at that. That's those prissy guys. Now, I didn't say sissy, or I ain't saying nothing like that. I'm saying they just slash feminine, prissy. Okay, just like a little dirt would drive them crazy. Because number one, to be a mechanic, guys, you will have to get dirty. Okay, yes, your hands, you will not be able to do a pedicure or get your nails done. Your hands will not look as squeaky clean as they are now. Yes, your whole mentality would change. So let's get that part out the way now. You can't be an ill guy. Hey, that's some stuff that's going to get on your hand and make you, oh my goodness, man. If I had to go wash my hands every time I got something on my hands, I'd likely be broke because I spend all day in the room washing my hands. I mean, that's things called gloves. This is minor petty stuff. What I'm going with this whole topic is you need to make sure this is what you want to do for a living, because the automotive field is drastically changing, guys. We are slowly but surely leaving the gasoline combustion engine, guys. Okay, so if you jump in now, you're gonna be in the tail end of learning. I'm talking about a guy fresh out of high school. You know what, mommy, I don't want to go to college to be a doctor or a lawyer. I want to go to be a mechanic. All right, there's gonna be some major learning curves right now. All right, yes, we're living in different times. Back in the day, this was an excellent field to jump into because you could foresee 5 years ahead. All right, 5 years ago, we was talking about slowly implementing EV, the electric vehicles. This time is slowly coming upon us, guys. So my point is it a good time to hop in now? Depends on your motivation and your knowledge retaining capability. Okay, because you will likely have to learn both. Okay, because the gasoline combustion engine is not going away overnight and without a fight. You best believe that. Yes, these politicians, I don't want to get political on y'all, but yeah, it's not going away overnight. But the EV is slowly creeping in, and that knowledge will have to be learned. So you basically need to focus on both. All right, as opposed to an older guy like me, I have the gasoline. I have that part etched in stone in my brain. So I'm slowly learning. I'm not going anywhere anytime soon from an educational standpoint, I'm gonna learn it all. From a physical working on a standpoint, they may be different. Okay, but I want to know as much as I can. So my advice, guys, newbies that's trying to get into it, make sure this is something you want to do, because like I say, it's a different learning curve than it was 10, 15 years ago. You need a damn good computer, a laptop now, before you need a damn good toolbox. Okay, back in the day, I don't want to work on no laptop. Now you can't live without it. There's no more books. Guys, we had manuals all over the dealership when I worked at the dealership, or when I was, just starting out. Books everywhere. There's no more books. My owner of the shop had us throw away all those manuals. Do you know how painful that was to watch those manuals go into the dumpster? Yes, guys, everything is changing right before our eyes. So, yes, electronic knowledge will play a major role in your success. So whether it's on a car or a computer, it doesn't matter. It's actually going to have to be on both, because in some ways they are related. They will be related. All right, guys, I'm almost at school, but newbies, make sure this is what you want to do, man. Yes, I will go out on a limb and say you can make a decent pay. I get in trouble for saying this. Being a mechanic, yes, there's a chance. And I know, what's his name? JJ, I get in trouble for saying this. Yes, guys, you can potentially make six figures. Not starting out. Let me say it like that. But between your day job and your hustles, yes, your hustles, meaning side work, things like that, that plays a role in your mechanical success. Okay, you may not get a job making $100,000, but overall, between your hustles, your side work, your this, your that, you can generate a real good income as a mechanic, being, your mechanical knowledge. Okay, people go, look at all these cars out here on the road. They all gonna need brakes sooner or later. You're a brake guy, you can do brakes on anything. You don't have to specialize. You don't have to be a Dodge brake guy or a GM brake guy. Brakes are universal. All right, so yeah, you're gonna have a hustle mentality to be successful in this automotive industry. I'm gonna put it out like that. All right, and I'm in the wrong lane. I am not exiting now. So guys, let me get off this phone. It's getting crazy out here. I'm almost at school. So that's all I have on this particular video. Guys, young guys, make the right decision, make the right call, talk it over with your parents. Make sure this is what you want to do. Okay, do you need to go to college? That's another video, guys, and I will speak on that on the way home. All right, I got 2 days of this, so I got a lot of time to talk to you guys. For now, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.